To Celoxis. In this video, we will see how to print dashboards, Gantt charts, and reports. Let's get started. To print dashboards, navigate to the dashboard, click on the three dots, and select Print. Celoxis allows you to print dashboards in PDF, HTML, and image formats. You can select from any of these formats based on your requirement. Apart from the format, Celoxis allows you to select the following attributes of the output: fit width. Celoxis provides standard paper sizes for printing, including A4, A0, A1, A2, A3, legal, and letter. These options help you adjust the fit width of your print. Orientation, i.e., either portrait or landscape, depending on the size and layout of the print. DPI setting. We recommend setting the DPI to 135 by default. Now, let's move on to printing reports. Click on the Reports section in the left-hand side, LHS menu, select All Reports, and then choose or search for the report you want to print. Click on the three dots and select the Print option. The print settings for report printing are similar to those for dashboard printing. To print a Gantt chart, navigate to Projects from the LHS menu, select the project, and then go to the Schedule tab. Select the Print option by clicking on the printer icon from the top right-hand side, RHS. Celoxis provides schedule range options for printing the Gantt chart. If you select Complete, the entire Gantt chart will be printed, regardless of the date ranges. If you select Visible, only the data visible on your screen will be printed. If you choose the Date Range option, you can specify the start and end dates for which you want to print the Gantt. These dates are applied to task start and end dates. Thank you for watching. For more information, please refer to our knowledge base.